Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In today's video I will show you how to build your own RaCAM camera and everything you need to build it yourself. So first you will need a Raspberry Pi board like this one. I recommend using the 8 or 16 gigabyte version. Then you will need a Raspberry Pi camera sensor. I recommend using the camera HQ1. You will need an active cooler like this one to cool down your camera while it's operating. You will need a ribbon like this to connect your camera to the Raspberry Pi board. You will need an SD card that is loaded with the latest Raspbian OS. You will need a 3D printed case and camera sensor adapter to both link the camera to the Raspberry Pi board. You will need some insulation tape like this one, screwdriver, and you will need some screws, some M2 screws like this one, and I recommend using buying a set like this one that came with various sizes, and this way you are sure to find the correct sizes that you need to build the camera. Then you will need a power supply like this one, and I really recommend using this one because it supports 5 amp power delivery, which is good if you want to plug the screen directly to the Raspberry Pi board. And finally you will need a cable like this, which is micro HDMI to HDMI plug. Okay, so let's do some unboxing first. So I will just open everything. So here you have the camera, the Raspberry board, sorry. Here we have the camera sensor. So usually the camera sensor come with 2 different ribbon cable like those ones. Here you go. So this one has a larger end than this one here, sorry, and we will really need to use the mini one to plug it directly onto the Raspberry Pi board like you can see here. So we'll remove this one. Here you go. Then we have the fan to cool the system. Here I've already prepared all the screws that I need. Okay, so first we will remove this part here from the camera. Basically this part here is used to hold the camera sensor on a tripod thread, but we won't need that, so we can just unscrew and remove it. Here we go. Okay, so we can just put this into the camera. Be sure to put it in the correct way, like this, and you can clip it here. So here on this case that I've 3D printed, you can see that I've already put some nuts in here, and then I secured them using the electrical tape here to be sure that they won't touch the board. So this will just go like this on the adapter, and then we will put it this way, like this. Like this. Because the ribbon cable is very long, we will have to fold it quite a bit, but I will just show you how to do that. So next we can take the longest screws here and basically just put a washer on them, like here. Sorry. And so we can just put them here, and they should lie directly in the opposite. Here. You don't need to overtime it, just be sure it's correctly screwed in. Like this. And that's one here. Perfect. So now the camera, sensor and adapter are both secured to the bottom of the case here. So what we will do is that we will just fold the cable like this. So just be sure to have a correct angle like this and not put it in on top of here, because we will have the screw that come here, and try to make it come here this way. So just like this and like this, basically. This is enough. Then you can put the Raspberry Pi board on top of it, so just like this, and you can just check below that everything is correctly folded. So here it's okay. So what you can do next is just to remove this protective paper here. So I won't do this for the demonstration because I won't use this one after, but you can just remove this paper here, plug the fan into this board here, just like this, and then the whole thing should just clip. Here you just need to push this one here, and they will just clip on the board. Just like this, here and here. Okay. So next, with this cable here, you can just try to have it take a bit more space here. Basically you need to fold it around quite a bit, and then you can twist it here, for example, and then push it into the camera sensor board. You can see that it has to be put this way, not the other way around, and then you can just secure it here, and that's it. Next, you can just put the top case on it, like here, and using the last set of screw here, you can just secure it here. So I won't need to use all these nuts because I've already put some nuts in the top case. Here. Here you go. And now you can just put the SD card inside the camera, and here you go. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon.